So it's a really nice day today, and I think it's the perfect weather to ride a bike. But I have had this bike rack for a long time, and I never figured out how to put it on my car. So today seems like the perfect day to put the bike rack on the car and to go for a ride on the bike. So let's try to do this right now. So I'm now starting to realize that it probably wasn't a great idea for me to wear all black on such a hot day, but we got the all black bike, we have the all black car, and an all black man. I've never put this on the car before, but I'm guessing it can't be that hard to do. So I'm trying to get this door right here off because there should be a hitch right inside there. So easy peasy. We got to put the hitch right inside there. Let's get the hitch. So when I bought the car, they gave me this thing right here. And I didn't know what was in it, like what was the point of it. Turns out that this is the hitch. And it's exactly what I need for this moment right now. Take the hitch, and then we're gonna just put it right in there. So change of plans. Look at how much I'm sweating right now. It's too hot outside for me to try to fiddle with this, so I put the hitch cover back on there, and the bike is just gonna have to go in the back of the car because I don't feel like messing with that right now. I want to go bike riding. So change of plans. Let's put this stuff back inside, and that bike is gonna go in the car. I ain't going nowhere. It's just too hot out here, so I had to go back inside, change into shorts. Now I think we're ready to go. Oh man, wouldn't want to drop my phone down in there. The thing about riding bikes is that the smallest incline seems like it's the biggest hill. I'm going up this. Oh my gosh, I can't talk right now. I am very hot. I'm drenched. Wearing a black shirt was not a great idea. I think I switched into my shorts because if I was wearing long pants, that'd be such a bad idea right now. But yeah. All right, gonna keep it going. I'm not really sure what the destination is here, but I'm starting to wonder, was this a bad idea or was it not? Okay, I feel like if I've been riding for like 6 hours now, I think I've ridden 165 miles. So that should count for something. I don't care what anyone says, that was 165 miles. I'm gonna put this bike back in the car, and we're done for today. Good bike ride. Good bike ride.